You want healthy breasts? Here's 3 exercises you have to do on a daily basis, right? So first, before we go over the exercises, breast health. It doesn't matter if it's men or women, this is specifically great for women. Now, improve breast health, besides we look at hormone balance, we also want to look at something called your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the sewer system of your body. So imagine in a city, like here in Austin, Texas, let's say if the sewer system got all clogged up, then all the sewer would come out onto the streets and we would have filth all over the streets, right? So how does that, that's what happens when the sewer system gets clogged up. So imagine if our sewer system in our body gets clogged up, that's when you start, having all these toxins accumulate, tumors, cancer, and blah, 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 and so forth, right? That's what happens when the lymph system, which is our sewer system, gets clogged up. So we have a lot of lymph nodes right here in our armpits around our breast, right? So we want to make sure our lymph system is constantly flowing. So we're going to do 3 exercises. Exercise number 1, okay? You're going to beat your chest, okay? Some people call this tapping. I like to call it beating, right? So you're going to beat your chest, both chest, okay, because you got 2 breasts, all right? You're going to beat both chests. You're going to do it 50 times, all right? Now, you can use a fist, like I'm doing right now, or you can use a cup, like you're cupping your hand like this, right? And you can cup like this, cupping just all around your breast. This helps circulate the lymph, okay, and the blood circulation, so it prevents any type of lymph blockage. Number 2 exercise. You're going to slap those smelly armpits, all right? Smelly armpits, you're going to slap them 50 times. Smelly armpits, both sides, right? We have a lot of lymph nodes right here in the smelly armpit area. So you can slap them right here, okay? 50 times each 50 times each day, all right? And the last one, you're gonna cluck like a chicken, all right? You're gonna make sure you massage, you're gonna activate all those lymph nodes, all the lymph nodes here by just doing the chicken dance, okay? It's called the chicken dance. You can do the chicken dance for 50 times also, and that will, again, speed up the circulation to all your lymphs, all right? So do these 3 exercises every single day to maintain your breast health and prevention of happening any type of disease, lymph node clogs, and so forth. To do these 3 every single day. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Women over 45, you want some sexy legs? Here's 4 exercises you can do on a daily basis to sexify those legs. Here's exercise number 1. You're gonna find a chair, right, that has a back. You're gonna lean on the back, right? And you're gonna pick up, use both hands, you're gonna pick up one leg, and you're going to extend this leg. You're gonna do it 20 times each leg, okay? 20 times each leg, right? To make it even more advanced, you wanna pull your toe backwards. It'll stretch this back, make those sexy calves, baby. So stretch those sexy calves, all right? Here's exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, you're still gonna use a chair just to protect yourself. You're gonna put your hands on your legs, and you're just gonna bend like you're just doing a little squat. Not all the way, don't go all the way straight. So from a side view, you're going like this, right? You can do this 20 times also, right? Get ready for part 2 for the next 2 exercises.